DJI is about to drop something that could change point and shoot cameras forever. The brand new DJI Osmo Nano. It's small, powerful, and built for creators on the go. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss updates on the latest tech gear. So, what exactly is the Osmo Nano? Well, this is DJI's smallest action camera ever. Think tiny, almost like the Insta360 GO 3S, which weighs just 39 grams. The idea here is simple: portability, versatility, and a lightweight design made specifically for vloggers, athletes, and drone pilots who want hands-free POV shots without carrying a bulky camera. The design is modular and magnetic, meaning you can snap it on your clothes or gear without clips, and it just stays in place. On the inside, it's got next-gen 4K recording, AI stabilization for buttery smooth shots, and intelligent shooting modes like time-lapse, gesture control, and vertical video, perfect for TikTok or Reels. Now, about the release date. It's expected to land in late August 2025, though some reports say it might slip to September or October. Why supply chain hiccups and some last-minute refinements? Basically, DJI wants to make sure it's polished before it goes live. As for price, you're looking at around $299 to $399. That's slightly higher than earlier guesses, but here's why. DJI might pack in a 1-inch sensor, seamless integration with its ecosystem, and automatic pairing with accessories like the DJI Mic 3. In short, you're paying a little more for a lot more power. Battery life should give you about 2 to 2.5 hours of shooting, with USB-C fast charging to get you back in action quickly. And it's not just about function. Osmo Nano also looks premium, with a brushed metal finish and a durable foldable design. So the DJI Osmo Nano is shaping up to be one of the best ultra-compact POV cameras yet. Sleek, durable, packed with smart features, and small enough to disappear in your pocket. Would you pick this over the Insta360 GO 3S? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for all the latest updates on DJI's upcoming launch. Thanks for watching, peace out.